Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the cooling fan on BMW 530D E60 E61. We can see the cooling fan is right there, just there. So in order to remove the cooling fan, first we need to remove this metal plate that's on top of the cooling fan. It's held by 7 or 8 bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Okay, now we can remove this metal plate and put it to the side. And next we need to remove this plastic cover that's on top of the cooling fan. It's held by 4 Torx bolts. And these are the bolts right there, 1, 2, actually 5 bolts, not 4. Now that this plastic cover is removed, we have access to the cooling fan. We also have access to the radiator and the AC condenser. In order to remove the cooling fan, first we need to disconnect the connector, the electrical connector, and then remove it. We also need to remove this air intake hose because it's in our way to remove the cooling fan. And now we can remove the cooling fan. In order to remove the cooling fan, we just need to pull it out. And that's it. Thank you for watching.